So, how do you delete your browsing history on eBay? So, to start off, let's open up the eBay application. Now, here we just need to head over to our profile. So, we can do that by clicking the My eBay on the side or down below, rather. Now, here you just need to scroll down until you see the settings. Now click on the settings, and here you would be able to see the clear history after you scroll down. So just click on clear history, and you would be prompted here to would you like to clear your browsing history, and you just need to click on OK, and now your recent searches has been cleared. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.